Okay everyone, so in this Wix tutorial we're gonna learn how to change your currency on your Wix website and store. Alright, so to do this just log into your Wix account. After that just go up to the top left corner and click on this drop down menu and choose the website or store you want to change the currency on. So I'm gonna go and change on this one. Just click on the website or store. Alright, so in the dashboard, we're gonna go to the left sidebar. We're gonna go down and click on settings. Under settings, we're gonna go to general and we're gonna go to this one, language and region. Click on that. Alright, so go all the way down to this one, site currency. Okay, so you can choose by clicking on the drop down menu and choose from the list, or you can just search for your currency. I'm just gonna search for USD. And we find this one, US dollar USD. I'm gonna click on this one. So changing your currency. So make sure that payment providers that operate in your location are able to accept payments in this currency. All right. So I'm just gonna go and click on got it, like that. After that, just go to the bottom right corner and click on save. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my full Wix tutorial playlist in the description below. Also subscribe for more of these videos. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.